Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I am Mamita Salma and welcome to the family. Thank you for clicking on my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Help a girl out. And if you're part of the family, how you doing? What's up? What's chilling? It's been a few days. I just hop right onto the video. No, I think it's this way. Yeah, to the video. So I've already done the eyebrows. I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal with Honey from Flawless Ivy. After concealing the eyebrows, I'm taking the Plouise base in Rumor. Number 4, and I'm applying it on the lid. Like I'm applying not too much, just a little bit, because the shade is expensive. Now I'm dabbing a bit of, what's your name? Fez. A bit of Fez and a bit of random black eyeshadow. So I'm gradually going to start going up, but slowly, not like all the way up there, because we're gonna blend some colors here. So after that, I'm taking a smaller precise brush here, this brush. I'm taking this red, this one right here, this red from Tara. I'm applying it right on top of the green, the black that I had on. Like at the edges, but on top of it. Okay. Like so. Taking another brush, I'm getting my Juvia's Place palette in Zulu, and I'm taking this ornament on top of the red. The red. I'm just going to go and blend. Okay. This is good. So I'm taking the yellow from the same Zulu palette, and I'm blending it on top of the orange that I had there.
Just like me.
taking a flat brush like this one. And I'm taking the Plouise base in Rumorfer. And I'm applying it. So we're drawing a liner like this. And then I'm taking an angle-like brush, and I'm taking liner that I got from Beauty Connoisseur on Instagram. This is like the yellow, it's like the more yellow, neon yellow greenish. So I'm dipping my brush, and then and the brush is a bit wet, and I'm going right in the outer end and inner end, taking the orange and I'm putting it in the middle. Neon, I don't know what color this is. It's kind of pinkish, but not as reddish, but I don't know. It's just, you'll see it in the pictures because I don't know what color this is. And I am packing it on the outer end. This is so messy. Clean out the fallout. After that, you get your eyeliner, your liquid liner, and you line around the neon liner. My lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm going to moisturize my skin. A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Moisturize it again with Skin Illuminator from number 7. I think this is enough because this thing glows the face like. Put my foundation on, which is the Flawless Ivy in Ebony. I'm going to blend my face with my beauty blender. I'm taking the Flawless Ivy in Honey. I'm putting it with a Real Techniques brush on my face. Like, I'm going to put it on the places that I highlight, which is mainly here, 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 and here. I'm like trying to put as little product as possible. Take my highlights powder and I'm gonna set the areas where I have concealer here. Go ahead, powder contour with my the bridge of my nose, just to make sure that it's a bit snatched. I'm just like not so much, just a teeny weeny bit. I'm putting this broken one and this one and putting them together. I don't know, I never put just one color blush. Like always has to be something. For my blush, I kind of treat my blush as like a bronzer sometimes. I just like put it on my cheeks and I go this way and I even put it here. But I don't put as much. I'm making the reviews and my face like it's like oozing glow. For glow, I'm putting the normal glow, the normal highlighter that I put, which is from Slick in medium, and I'm brushing it on my cheeks. Ooh, girl, so pretty. Other side too. That just gave me like I'm just radiating out here, like just minding my business, glowing like there's no tomorrow. Brown liner. And I'm taking this peachy color. Like just take it all in, like serving you neon, serving you highlight of like so this is the final look, guys. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow me on Instagram at Mamita_glam, Mamitas_glam. Follow me on Snapchat at Mamita_Salma. And yeah, this is the look. Comment down what you think I did wrong, what you think I did right. Did you think I slayed? Like, just comment down below all the infos you want me to take. Yeah, thank you and goodbye.